Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Kia Cadenza. This one is a metallic bronze. Underneath the hood is a 3.3 V6 pushing out 293 horsepower. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 19-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A beige leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our Cadenza Kia badging. Opening up the front. Pop the trunk. We've got a set of clean floor mats. Coming up front, got power windows. This one does come with an Infinity sound system. Power seats. Also comes with a blind spot assist. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Navigation. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for our media display. USB ports. Automatic transmission. Heated and cooled seats. This Kia has 62,680 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Kia, check out feldmannimports.com.